Hey guys, today I'm going to show you YouCut video editor for mobile. They also have a PC version of the app too. First you're going to click on add, click on new project, click on this video, and you see they have many different features and there's no watermark either. Click trim. You can trim different parts of the video and say 6 seconds. You can also cut the middle or split the video. Click check. Then have a music feature. Let's say add this one. Okay, so I'm gonna move that this way. So now I have music. They also have filters. Click on filters. And they have so many different filters. Some of these are for the pro version only. So you're gonna need the premium version to use some of these. There's dark, warm, natural, original. They have effects. Now in order to add an effect, you have to hold it. So like glitch, you have to hold it for as long as you want it. And then once you do that, you can just drag it if you want to do the whole video. Let's see, let's do bad TV. So now part of the video has a bad TV. Like check. So these are all the effects they have. They have so many. Scan, mosaic, heartbeat, shock, phantom, zoom in and out, different colors, spark, ember, mirror, then the multiple screens. So there's that. And then you have text. Let's see, hey, y'all. So now you can make it bigger, smaller, rotate it. And then you can change the font. There's many different fonts here. You can see all these different fonts to pick from. You can also add fonts. Now all these fonts are free with the premium version, but on the free version, in order to unlock them, you have to watch an ad. That's why there's a play symbol next to it. You have to watch an ad to unlock it. Now these are all of them. You can also select by language. You can see the different languages they have. So these are all the English fonts here. Though some of these are not English, as you can tell, as they do not look English. But these are all the fonts they have. You can also add your own fonts. You can import them. You can see up here it says import your own font. Then you can change the color. See the black, grays, whites, pink, purples, reds, orange, yellows, blues, greens, and browns. Let's make pink, bright pink. And then you can see how the text fades in and out. Zooming, you can slide it. And then you can spin it. Let's do spin left. Then you can adjust the character's how far spaced you want it. Lines. And then opacity. Then you can set if you want it to the side, the middle, or the other side, like if you were writing a paper. All these effects. And then they also have stickers. You can add as many stickers. They have trending, effects, emojis, arrows, all of these. Or you can search. Let's say I want to search YouTube. Click search. I have all these stickers. They have GIFs. And they also have text. So let's say I want to add, click subscribe. Let's add this one. Zoom it out like this. So now it looks like this. Actually, I can move that up so you can see it. It's not in the way. There we go. There's stickers. Now here's the speed. You can adjust the speed, how fast you want it, all the way up to times 100, and all the way down to 0.2. Then you have background. There's the different frames for the different apps. If you're trying to upload a video to a certain app, there's TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or no frame. Then there's colors. You can add a background color, or you can add a background image in the background. Let's say I want to do a color. Let's do red. Now there's a red color in the background of the video. Then there's the record function. You can record audio. So if you record your footage first and then want to put audio in afterwards, you can actually record inside the app. Then there's volume. You can adjust your volume all the way up to 200. And then there's rotating. Rotate. You can flip it. And you can crop it. So let's say, so there's the full video with all its editing features. And if you're wondering how I did my YouTube intro, I will show you. Click add, new project, and then add, new project. Let's go to photos. Click on this photo here. Now I have an image, and you can edit images. So what I did was, since I knew that my audio was 10 seconds, I set the duration to 10 seconds. Alright. At 9.9 is fine. Actually, no, I want to add 10. But yes, you can set how long you want the image to be in the video. Okay, 10 seconds. Now that that's set at 10, what I did was I went to text and I added text and I set how long I wanted it to appear. So say I did this as R. Actually, let me type in my whole channel's name. Shrink it so it can fit within the screen. Randomness girl. I can shrink it down. So now it's in the top screen. And then let's see, how do I want this to appear? Let's say fade in. There we go. Click check. And then I'm going to add some text. Oh, not text. I just did that. So now I'm going to add stickers. And I search, let's say, Mario, because that's what I had in my intro. So now I can shrink this and put it on the bottom screen. Click check. So now this is in there. See? And that's how I did it. I just added text and then more text, and I said how long I wanted it, and I added a whole bunch of stickers, and I kept going all the way till it was done. And to make sure it matched the music, I added the music here. Let's say I'm gonna do this one again. So that's how I did my intro. I just added text and stickers. Now, one thing to note when doing text and stickers, if you're trying to do it on just one particular frame, you can only do up to 3 stickers and 3 text. You can't do more than that. And maybe if you have the premium version, you can, but not on the free version. See, let me add some more text and say, and then add more text and say, what? So, let's see, put that here. And if I try to add more text, see, exceed max number. And if I try to do the same thing with stickers, it will say exceed max number. You can only do 3. Now to do more than 3, you have to start the next part. So if I try to add text here, I can add text because I'm not on the same part as this. See, 3, this is stacked up to 3. Just move on to the next part to keep adding more. That's what I did. That's how I got so many letters and stickers. So this is the full app. I said you can crop, you can flip, you can rotate, you can set the volume, you can record audio over it, set a background, change the speed, add stickers, GIFs, images, add text, add effects, filters, music, and trim. This is how you use YouCut video editor.